Enjoy all-day tanning with the 5-position reclining beach chair with lay-flat option. Recline without the worries of pinching fingers or hands with the patented Safe Adjust technology built into the wooden armrests. The contoured wooden armrests are sealed with marine-grade coating to prevent scratching and provide weatherproof protection. Includes built-in towel bar. Easy-to-carry design with the padded adjustable straps. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to carry, easy to fold, comfortable to sit in and solidly constructed. I bought this chair for an extended vacation to Morro Bay, California, where I went to the beach 4 to 5 times a week for a month. This is a light chair with a decent carrying strap, which was useful as I walked at least a few hundred meters from where I parked to where I set up on the beach each trip. Very easy to carry over a shoulder. Unfolding and folding were a breeze, which is saying a lot given that for whatever reason I always have a hard with folding chairs, especially where there is some gimmick like a tab or button to press or some complicated series of maneuvers to get it to release and fold. This is simple, grab and fold it like a book. I am around 200 pounds, closer to 210 by the end of the trip, and I found it quite comfortable to sit in for hours at a time. It has arm rests and a cup holder on the right side. Overall, I am quite satisfied with this chair, and I suspect that it can withstand many more trips to the beach, river, lake, backyard, etc. without a problem.